Well, the HSG is really founded on the principle of what we'd call team science, or it takes a village. And initially I was doing research, a single site at the University of Rochester, but it became clear that it took a greater collective concerted effort by others to participate in this. And I had the good fortune to be a good organizer. And so I was able to recruit colleagues to this, both initially in the United States and Canada, and eventually throughout the world. And I think there were also several studies that we did which were not just therapeutic studies, but just what we'd call observational studies, where we'd learn about the natural history of Huntington's disease, principally the Pharaoh study, the PREDICT study, and the cohort study, which have turned out to be, very important. Although we weren't testing therapies, we were really understanding what naturally occurred in Huntington's disease and learning more, not just as researchers, but also as clinicians, so we could take better care of our patients. One thing that I think is important about these study groups is all our investigators are not just pure investigators. When they're not doing research, they're in the clinic taking care of patients and families. And that really gives a wonderful feeling, because as you exhaust what you could do in the clinic treatment-wise, and there certainly are limitations that we know of, you could go and work on research to expand our knowledge and expand the numbers of treatments, and hence seeking treatments that make a difference.